Hello, everyone. I'm going to be real. I know I promised two people in the past that I wouldn't be negative on this app, but those two people blocked me on this app since I made that promise. So, I guess there's that. Have you ever felt alone, even when you're surrounded by people that love you, that actually genuinely show you that they love you? Have you ever generally just felt like you were a waste of space because you don't even know who you actually are? All I have is my faith right now. That's all I have. Beyond that, I have no idea really who I actually am, beyond being a person that likes the night, beyond being a mother, beyond all the titles. I don't know who I am. At my core, I feel alone. And I haven't been talking much or singing much because the two abscesses that I have also caused me to have sore throat, even though I've been taking amoxicillin to prescribed amoxicillin to get rid of the infection, and I'm taking painkillers for the pain. I can eat on this side of my face, but I can't even eat pickles on my right side. I've tried oils before. Apparently I haven't gotten the right ones because they didn't work for me. And I've tried, as far as dating, I've tried keto, I've tried paleo, I've tried the carnivore diet, I've tried fasting, I've tried everything, including exercise and pills out there. None of it has gotten rid of my weight. My physical therapist actually suggested to me that I get tested for hypermobility as well as PCOS, because I literally have a lot of the symptoms of that. Of course, it's called PMOS now, but yeah, I don't know who I am because my entire life I've been a survivalist. I've literally spent my entire life just trying to survive. Heck, even before I was born, because I died in my mom's womb twice. I don't know what plans he has for me, but Yahuwah and Yahusha, my faith is all I have right now. I've gotten to where I'm so depressed that I don't even want to do anything to unalive myself, because even that would take some effort. But at the same time, I also want to stay because my son needs me, my family needs me, and they love me beyond all reason. Sorry if this is coming off as like a rant or whatever you want to call it, but I'm just trying to process everything. On my dad's side, I only have my sister and my brother, and my sister lives in PA. The only way I talk to her is through Discord, And then my brother, he's antisocial beyond our reason because he also has Asperger's. And I can't even talk to my mom because my mom and my dad are both gone. My grandpa's gone. My pets are gone. Everyone I've ever loved over the years is gone. And I don't know what to do. I don't have anyone I can actually talk to. I wish someone could actually hug me right now. But at the same time, I'm glad I'm not being held. Because I'm afraid that if I go into another panic attack, it will severely affect my heart. Because the last time I went to a panic attack, I had to take a nitro. And if I take 2 nitros, I must go to the ER. Those things are literally basically heart medication versions of that one injection thing for people who are severely allergic. Epinephrine. The EpiPens, my bad. It's just like EpiPens. I don't know. I don't know how to be a mom. I've been winging it. Whenever I was first a mom, I thought I wanted to be a mom whenever I was so gung-ho about being a mom. From the time I was a teenager up. And, sorry, the dogs are howling. And once I actually became a mom, I became so freaked out that I had postpartum that I didn't even realize it. I messed up the first few years of my son's life. So I'm trying to make up for that. I want him to have the best life he can, maybe the best man he can be. Whenever he's old enough, I'll tell him about what I went through. I'll let him make the choices that he wants to make, no matter what, if it's following my path, my religion, my faith, or following his stepdad's, his dad's, because that's all he ever calls Darian. Darian is his dad. He has called him dad from the very beginning of them being together for the past 4 years. That man has been wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. He's stuck with me through every single trigger I have ever had. My emotions go through the roof all the time, 24/7. Doesn't matter. I can literally switch emotions with 5 different emotions within 5 minutes. I've literally done it before. But this is getting long, and I wish I could actually just talk forever. But I can't. So, hope you have a good day.